Hello and welcome. Hello, my name is Desiree and Yway, and welcome to another day of learning science with me. Hello and welcome, mini scientists. Today we will talk about force. So, what is force? Let me tell you what you probably read or heard about force. Force is the push and pull applied on an object. You will probably imagine something like this: the push and the pull of an object. Although that is correct, but it can also lead to some misunderstanding. Let us clearly define first what force is. It states that force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from its interaction with another object, and it is measured in newtons. There are two types of forces: the balanced forces and unbalanced forces. But how balanced and unbalanced forces differ? Let us first talk about the first type of force, which is the balanced forces. Balanced forces are equal forces acting on one object in opposite directions as shown in the illustrations below. Equal forces acting on an object will not change the object's motion. In balanced forces, the net force is zero. In conclusion, if forces are balanced, there is no change in motion and no acceleration. You learned in lower grades that all objects fall down because blank pulls on them towards the center of the earth. What pulls them towards the center of the earth? The answer is gravity. So nga nung ma-fall ang isa ka butang tungod sa gravity. Dili kay gugma-gugma lang, gravity. Observe these two pictures. What makes the pen and the toy stay at rest? The pen stays in place because of another force that acts on it that is supplied by the string, which we refer to in physics as tension force. The toy, on the other hand, stays at rest because of the upward push exerted on it by the table, which we refer to as normal force. Both the tension force and normal force counteract the pull of gravity that acts on objects. So, unsa may pasabot anin niya? Ang force, dili lang na siya pushing or pulling. Bisag ang butang, nag-attract ra na siya or walay motion, na adyapoy forces nga gaak ana niya. Now, let us proceed to the second type of force, which is the unbalanced forces. In unbalanced forces, the forces acting on an object are not equal. When a net force greater than zero acts on an object, the forces are unbalanced. It means one or more force is stronger than others. Thus, change in motion occurs. Unbalanced forces can cause an object to start moving, stop moving, and change in direction or speed. As a summary, today you learned about forces. Let us keep in mind these three ideas. A force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from its interaction with another object. Balanced forces are equal forces acting on one object in opposite directions. When a net force greater than zero acts on an object, the forces are unbalanced. I hope you learned something today. Always remember to protect each other and be kind. Take care and peace out. May the force be with you.